Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 3rd, 2025, and we're diving into Tesla, ticker symbol Tesla. We're going to analyze both the news surrounding Tesla and its recent chart data to understand where the stock might be heading. Recent Google searches show a mixed bag, with concerns about Trump's tariffs and declining sales in Europe, countered by some positive analyst sentiment. We'll see how these factors are reflected in the charts. Let's begin by examining the daily chart to gain a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see the overall trend has been quite volatile over the past year. We've seen significant swings, including a recent surge followed by a pullback, influenced in part by the delivery numbers update from yesterday, April 2nd, which hinted that sales drop this year may have already priced in much of the recent sales declines. There's a clear resistance level forming around $285, which Tesla attempted to break in the previous trading session. The stock closed yesterday at $282.76. It also tested the low of $251.27 recently. The 52-week range was $138.80 to $488.54. Zooming in on the past few months, the daily chart shows a struggle to maintain upward momentum after the initial surge from the start of April. The news about Trump's tariffs likely contributed to the uncertainty and volatility we're seeing, as indicated by the initial plummet and large red candle on April 2nd. Declining sales in Europe, as highlighted by the Street.com article, are probably spooking investors. Now let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at the recent price action. This will give us a better understanding of intraday trends and potential short-term opportunities. We can more clearly see the short-term support and resistance levels and how the stock is reacting to immediate market pressures. On the hourly chart, you can see increased volatility, indicated by the large swings within each candle. The current price is hovering around $282.76. We can observe a potential support around $270 and a strong resistance near $285. We can see that Tesla recovered from a recent dip in price as well. As Tesla stock becomes more volatile, investors will want to see the trend stabilize. To get an even more granular view, let's examine the 15-minute chart. This is where we can really see how the day's trading is unfolding and potentially identify scalping opportunities. It offers more detail and could show short-term reversals and consolidations. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we see Tesla open at 254.6 and closes at 282.76 for April 2nd. If the downward trend continues, breaking through the support level of $270, then we may see $250 again. It's hard to say. Now, let's put it all together. The news suggests headwinds for Tesla, particularly in Europe and with the tariff concerns, while the Fool says Tesla's stock is soaring today. Short term, the hourly and 15-minute charts show volatility. A break above $285 could signal a bullish move, while a drop below $270 might indicate further downside. For the longer term, watching sales in Europe and any developments related to tariffs will be key. If Tesla can successfully navigate these challenges and continue innovating, the long-term outlook could still be bright. Otherwise, look for Tesla stock to test support levels below $250. Keep an eye on Tesla deliveries and any news releases. These will likely have short and potentially long-term impacts on the charts.